How to file zero income tax returns on TurboTax. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you had no income but still need to file a tax return, you want to first of all log into your TurboTax account and start a new return. Then answer the initial questions such as filing your status. Now enter your personal information, which includes name, social security number, and address. If you're asked about income, you want to select that you have no income. Now you want to skip the income section. Then check for tax credits and refunds such as earned income tax credit, child tax credit, and recovery rebate credit. Now, if TurboTax calculates a refund, you can still file to claim it. Now, you want to choose your filing method. If the IRS accepts zero income e-filing, you want to e-file, or if it doesn't accept it, you want to print and mail your return. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.